Hello and welcome to Followerspanda. Today, we're exploring a game changer for anyone looking to make their mark on Twitch. Ever struggled to pick a unique username? Worry no more. We'll show you how to use the Twitch username checker by Followerspanda, making your journey to Twitch fame much easier. Stay tuned, and let's get your perfect username by Followerspanda. Creating a unique username is key to standing out and making an impression. Don't wait. Find your unique Twitch username today and start your streaming journey. This handy tool is your first step towards Twitch success, allowing you to check username availability instantly. Paste this URL in the search box. Then, you will see a page where Followerspanda's Twitch username checker. Type in your desired username and hit check. In seconds, you'll know if it's time to claim your unique Twitch identity or think of a new standout name. Found your perfect Twitch username? Then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insider tips and tricks. And hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.